Hey there, I'm Aditya Shrivastava. I hope you are doing good. I'm doing absolutely great. So let's start our journey towards a better and a meaningful life.
Most people who reached their success had already imagined and had already got successful in their mind. This is called affirmation. Basically, affirmation is the positive thinking. It is an influence from your subconscious mind in which you start believing that you have the capability and you have the power within yourself that you can overcome any obstacle that comes in front of you. Basically, affirmation is just telling your mind that you can achieve anything that you ever want. The reason why affirmations work is they take power from the subconscious mind. Allow me to explain. Basically, subconscious mind is the hidden part of your mind that affects the way you behave without you even realizing that you acted in a way. Example, if you have been reading self-help books or watching videos on self-help, your mind will start to give you input that is positive. It will start giving you the things that actually help you reach to your success, that too very fast. But in the same way, if you spend time with negative and toxic people, your mind starts feeling those things and suddenly you don't even realize that they eat up your whole day and lower your productivity. Therefore, it is very important that we practice affirmations every day. Now let me tell you why is it important to remove negativity and replace it with positivity. In a daily life example, when we say, I am not ill, that's not correct. We should say, I am healthy because it acts as an optimistic approach towards your life and it makes your mind happy and you start feeling that you have actually accomplished something. So you can remove negativity in every way. It is important to remove negativity from your mind because the people around you are also affected by the way you respond or the way you act or speak. Therefore, it is very much appreciated to stay around people who have positive approach towards their life. We love to spend our time with people who have positive approach to the life because they indirectly give us positivity. Therefore, if you start being positive, the people around you will be happy from you and they will spend more time with you, and perhaps one of the most important thing is they will form deep and meaningful relationships with you. Apart from that, they will start loving you. Now let's talk about affirmations. When you should do them and how. When you go to sleep, 10 minutes before or 1 minute before you're going to sleep or you're going to bed, you should affirmate. And once you wake up in the morning, before you do anything, look yourself in the mirror and start affirmating. Now let's talk about how we can do the affirmative process or the process of affirmation. To do this, you have to speak the following lines 3 times every time you do it. I am confident. I trust myself and I can do anything that I want. I am strong, fit, successful and fearless. I am assertive and unstoppable. I can do anything. I have the best power in myself. Believe me friends, if you do these things, you will be feeling more powerful than ever before. I hope you like this video. That's it for today. Subscribe for more. Thank you.